Hey, this is Tim Bilecki, managing partner of the law firm of Bilecki. One of the questions we've been getting asked quite a bit in the last really 6, 7, 8 months, or even before then, is do we take cases in Europe? I know traditionally I've always taken cases in Hawaii and Guam and Korea and Japan, but I've been getting a lot of calls from Europe, including Germany, wanting me to take their cases. And Germany is really far away from where we're located at here in Honolulu, Hawaii. So the question I always say is, yes, I will take the case, but it has to be the right type of case. So what is the right type of case? If you are facing a serious set of charges, not necessarily an Article 15 or maybe a basic orders violation, but if you're facing sexual assault, you're facing rape charges, you've got a sting operation, you've got a murder charges, drug trafficking, something that's fairly significant or very significant, and where you have a high likelihood of being charged at a general court-martial, then absolutely that's something we can take on for you. Another case I'd like to look at, or another set of facts I'd like to look at, are, is this a case where it looks like the odds are stacked against you? Is this the case that you've called around to other attorneys, you've talked to your TDS counsel, your ADC, and they say the case seems hopeless, it's not winnable, and they're trying to drive you to take a plea agreement? Is it a certain case that no one else wants to take on, but you know you didn't do this, you know you're innocent, you know that what they've charged you with is not really the truth, and you're just not ready to go give up and go behind bars and have your fate and your life handed over to the military and get put in a jail cell because someone's got to fight for you. I've actually got a case like that. I've got 2 cases in Germany right now. One has been 2 years in the making. It's 2 alleged victim sexual assaults, one of these #MeToo cases, where we actually have an alibi to the case. And there's been recommendations earlier on for the case not to even go to trial, but the way the process works, the case has actually meandered its way through the court system. Our client's been sitting around for over a year and a half waiting for his day in court, and we're gonna have that. So in that particular case, absolutely, I'm flying from Hawaii all the way to Europe. It's about a 15, 18-hour flight, but we're gonna do it because we want justice for this soldier. So if it's a case that other lawyers have told you is unwinnable, or if it's a case where the odds are stacked against you, you're not getting a fair shake. The prosecution's basically pulling out all the stops. They're adding on all these additional charges, a lot of them for offenses you had no intention of ever committing or you didn't commit, or you're looking at this saying, I'm not ready to give up. I'm ready to fight. I'm not ready to wave that white flag of surrender. If that's the situation you're in, even though I'm here in Honolulu, Hawaii, if you need me to get on this and take care of this for you, we can certainly do that. So when I'm looking at cases in Europe or looking at cases that are far away, where it involves a lot of travel, where it's 2-3 days just to get there and make that journey halfway around the world, I look at, is this case a good fit for our law firm? Is it a good fit for me personally? Is it something where we can really do some good? And if so, then forget the flight. We'll make it. We will make it happen, because at the end of the day, when we stand up with our clients and the jury comes back or the panel comes back, when they stand up and they read the magic words, which will forever seal your fate or change your life, of all charges and specifications, not guilty. When that moment happens, all of it is worthwhile. The travel, the time, the commitment, the resolve, all of it is worthwhile, and every bit of it matters at that moment. That's the type of case I want to take on. Someone that's as passionate about winning their case as I am about defending it.